Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the hottest new AI tool for research. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to dive into the world of research and explore the hottest new AI tool that are revolutionizing the field. AI has opened up incredible possibilities in research, enabling faster data analysis, advanced pattern recognition, and intelligent decision making. In this guide, we'll introduce you to some of the most exciting AI tools that researchers are using to enhance their work. From AI-powered literature review assistant to intelligent data analysis platform, these tools are reshaping the research landscape. We'll take a closer look at each tool, discuss its key features, functionalities, and how it can benefit a researcher. So whether you're a scientist, student, or a professional in any research field, these AI tools have the potential to accelerate your work, improve accuracy, and unlock new insight. So let's begin. Now today we're going to discuss 4 different AI that could possibly help you with your research. Now our first AI that we are going to talk about today is called Jenny AI. You will be able to access Jenny AI by going to this URL over here, which is basically the name itself, jenny.ai. Now over here, as you can see, jenny.ai will help you research and write your next paper. You will be able to use this AI absolutely for free, so we're going to check this out later on. But before that, we're going to check out the different features available in Jenny. As you can see here on their preview, they have a plagiarism checker. It allows you to write with 10 times more speed, and there's also citations available in this. It is also trusted by a lot of universities and business across the world, as you can see here, from Harvard, Cambridge, MIT, Aston University, Meta, and Google over here. Its powerful features are write, cite, and edit. It allows you to build and enhance your writing capabilities, as you can see here. And this is like a preview of how we will be able to use it. It has AI autocomplete that will write alongside you to beat writer's block. It has customizable styles, so you could choose your tone and type for personalized AI generation. There's also in-text citation, allowing you to produce citation in APA, MLA, or Harvard styles. You can also paraphrase and rewrite any text in any tone. You could allow Jenny AI to rewrite any of your research paper material to help you make it more sound professional or change it the way you want. Jenny has helped write over 850 million words, from academic essays, journals, to top-ranking blog posts, as you can see over here. You could also make essays, blog posts, literature reviews, personal statements, stories, and speeches with Jenny, as you can see here. So we're going to check this out and how it would work. Now over here, this is where we will be able to use Jenny AI. As you can see here, I have already tried one, but we're going to try a new document. Now over here, when you open or create a new document, you will be asked what type of topic that you would like to write today. As you can see here also, it will tell you a level of prompt over here, and it would ask you to add more context for higher quality generation. So what I'm going to ask it is, what are the benefits of having a weather box for agriculture? You can see, and also as you can see here, it said that it is a great prompt. We have enough details so that Jenny will be able to provide us with a good amount of information. So we're going to click on start writing. By doing that, as you can see here, weather box benefit, it created as a title, and it already provided us with the data over here. It will ask us to accept this or see an alternative before it proceed, so you will not have any worries of having specific sections that you don't like and you would need to redo the entire thing for that to be replaced. So over here, as you can see, the use of technology has revolutionized the field of meteorology, making it possible to collect and analyze vast amounts of weather data. You could accept this if you want, or you could see an alternative. So we're going to see an alternative for now. As you can see here, weather forecasting has come a long way from the days of simply looking at the clouds to predicting what kind of weather is coming. As you can see, we will accept that one by clicking on accept, and it will type it there. And then it will also suggest another thing. And if you want, you could also type your own. For example, Weatherbox can help farmers better manage their farm, just like that. And then you're going to wait, and it will provide you an additional information if ever you are feeling a writer's block. But if you don't want to follow the other recommendation, you can simply type once again, and you will be able to type whatever you want. And as you can see here, by providing relevant climate information, impact-based forecasts on crops and livestock, and weather-informed agricultural advisories, Weatherbox services can be essential for farmers, as you can see here. And then you could accept this once again. You can also click on enter over here, which would allow you to create another paragraph just like this. And when you click on the plus sign over here, you will be able to use different AI commands like write with more depth, write opposing argument, write a conclusion, and write an introduction over here. You could also ask it to peer review this document, summarize or translate the document over here. You could also add like a prompt once again so that you will be able to have a more specific answer. You could also click on cite over here, which would allow you to create a citation for your topic that you have created. As you can see, we're going to wait for it to generate one of our citation. And as you can see here, we have citations available in our section over here. So what you're going to do is simply choose the specific citation that would work. So what you're going to do next is you're going to click on add a citation, and as you can see, it will automatically create a citation for you in this section over here. You can also edit your text formatting over here, like heading, heading 2, heading 3, numbered list, and bullet list over here. If you want to undo, you can simply click on this button and it will undo whatever you've done, just like that. Or you can simply redo it also. You could also add images if you would like, and you could also limit the words produced over here depending on how you would like it to be. You can also click on check document over here so that it would be checked for plagiarism. Now we can't access this right now because we need to upgrade our plan to access this, but we're going to check that out later on. As you can see here also on the settings, it will do auto suggestions like we said earlier. There's also auto suggest or autocomplete buttons over here. The content type is essay. You can change it to blog, email, or free flow. You could change the tone to academic, professional, friendly, persuasive, or bold over here. And you could also choose your citation style over here from APA, MLA, Harvard, or IEEE. Now, what are the different plans available for Jenny? You could click on upgrade now. And as you can see here, you have your annual plan, which is $144 per year, and monthly plan, which is $20 per month. As you can see, there is unlimited AI generation, there's Ask Jenny AI Assistant, and unlimited citations over here. Now moving on, we're going to check out Cite this time. Cite is very similar to Jenny. As you can see here on the different features, you are able to search and discover supporting and contrasting evidence per paper. You could reference check, you could do custom dashboard, have journal be created for you, organizations, founders. You could also have plugins over here. You could download the browser extension for you to use on any website. You could also schedule product demo and learn key concepts over here. As you can see here, this is the example of our Cite Assistant over here. We could try this out. We're going to do the same topic. What is the benefit of a Weatherbox to agriculture? Click on enter and we're going to wait for it. And as you can see here also, write a paragraph on how video games influence spatial reasoning. It will provide you an information over here that you could use for your research, and you have your references over here on the right side. You could cite this or download this as your citation for your research paper. This is very useful for a lot of different things. Right now, I think we don't have a free prompt yet, so we would need to pay or start a free trial to unlock more. But as you can see here, it has already produced us. Weather plays a crucial role in agriculture, and having access to real-time weather information can be beneficial to farmers. As you can see here, it provided us with a very good content filled with paragraph, and this is our reference over here on the right side. You could copy this, download this, or view full text with add to dashboard and all of those information that you might need for your research paper. Now, like I said earlier, it is very similar to Jenny, but personally, I think Jenny would be more useful for me because I would be able to type in my own ideas and then it will add to my ideas over here. Now, moving on, another AI that we could talk about today is called HeyGPT.chat. HeyGPT.chat has a lot of features that could benefit you as a researcher and help with your research paper. As you can see here, it can access Google search. You will be able to use your own API keys. There's no monthly fees. You could chat GPT with PDFs. You could chat with websites. Your chats are stored locally. It supports ChatGPT. There's no login required. Progressive web app. There's also all of these different features that you could use and take advantage with your research, as you can see here. Now, you would need to enter an API key from your OpenAI account, but for me right now, it's not working, so we won't be able to demonstrate the specific AI. But like I said, it is also able to produce proper results for you to be able to use for your research. It can provide you ideas, help you summarize information, and even give you insights on different types of information. Now, moving on, we have Agent GPT. Agent GPT is currently in beta, so we won't be expecting much. But in the future, it can be a very helpful AI. But right now, we're just going to inform you that Agent GPT has a lot of potential. As you can see here, we're going to test this out. Our agent right now is currently Research GPT, and this is our topic once again. The same thing as we did with our other AI, so we're going to deploy agent. As you can see here, it is currently thinking for itself and it's going to create tasks, as you can see here on the right side, on what it would do so that you will be able to monitor what happens with the AI, as you can see here, and it will do each task accordingly. As you can see, our first task is retrieve information on how weather affects agriculture, and as you can see here, it already produced an information over here. And it's also doing the next one, which is research different types of weather boxes available in the market. It allows thinking and innovation within the AI. You can also enable web search over here if you would like to have the internet be available for this AI. But unfortunately, right now they have disabled web search, so we're not going to do that. As you can see here, it already did too. Now it's going to compile a report on the benefits of using weather boxes. And sometimes it's going to work, sometimes it's not going to fully finish all the different tasks. Because like I said earlier, it is currently in beta and it is not that much functional yet, but it has a lot of different potential. And as you can see here, it has finished another one over here. And we're not going to wait for this to finish for now, but like I said earlier, it is going to be a great AI to be used in the future. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Those are the different AIs that you could use for your research. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.